Kids' Funtastic Learning Channel. Welcome to the Verb Factory. Here we make the most fun sentences with verbs. Meet the characters. This is Tim and Lisa. They're going to help us make sentences. Verbs are action words. They tell us what someone is doing. Let's make a sentence. We'll start with Tim. Now we need a verb. What is Tim doing? Right, Tim runs. That's already a sentence. Great job. But we can make the sentence even more fun. Where is Tim running to? Great, now we have a complete sentence. Tim runs to the park. Awesome, let's make more sentences. Lisa is? That's correct. Lisa is jumping. Now it's your turn. This time, I'll show animals. And you determine which verb fits what they're doing. Are you ready? Let's go! The cat walks. That's right. The dog barks. That's right. The bird flies. Great job. The fish swims. You got it. The rabbit hops. Well done. The horse runs. It's fantastic. The lion roars. Excellent. The cow eats. Awesome. The frog jumps. Brilliant. The snake slithers. You're so smart. The elephant stomps. Amazing work. The monkey climbs. Perfect. The bee buzzes. Outstanding. The pig oinks. Great thinking. The owl hoots. You're on fire. The duck quacks. Amazing job. The sheep bleats. Super smart. The tiger prowls. Impressive. The kangaroo bounces. You did it! The rooster crows. Fantastic work! The turtle crawls. You're awesome! The bear growls. Well done! The chicken clucks. You're brilliant! The whale splashes. Nice job! The dolphin jumps. So smart! The mouse squeaks. You're incredible! The deer leaps. Amazing thinking! The parrot talks. Great work! The goose honks. Fantastic effort! Wow, you did such an amazing job today. Look at all the sentences we made with verbs. You learned that verbs are action words, and they help us describe what people, animals, or even you are doing. You helped Tim, Lisa, and all the animals with their action words, and now you're a verb expert. Keep practicing by making your own sentences at home. What can you do? Maybe you can jump, run, or even sing. There are so many fun verbs to explore. Thank you for visiting the Verb Factory. We'll see you next time for more fun with words. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more exciting learning adventures. Bye for now!